everybody, welcome back to the kitchen. Today we're gonna make a tropical smoothie. So, say you're getting ready in the morning for school or work and you want to make an amazing breakfast, but cereal isn't enough, so you add on to that with a nice smoothie. So let's get right into it. So right here we have some Kirkland oat milk. You can use anything from almond milk and other nut milks. We have some nice homemade yogurt right here, some fresh pineapples and a ripe banana, some papayas and jackfruit. We have some chia seeds right here, an ounce of raw cashews, some organic moringa powder, and some raw spirulina powder. So we have a Ninja Professional 1100 watt blender here. It has to have a Vitamix, but we got this as a gift, so might as well use it. We're gonna go ahead and put 2 cups of oat milk in here since this is for 2 people. And we have 1 cup of our homemade yogurt right here. I'm gonna go ahead and put that in.
Here we go.
We got some fresh pineapples here. We just put half a pineapple in here. We're gonna get some fresh papayas here. This is a quarter of a papaya. There you go. We have some jackfruit here. This is raw jackfruit. We have a whole banana right here that we're gonna put in. Let's go ahead and peel it up. Okay, we're gonna put a banana in here. There we go. And we're gonna also put this in here. And we're also gonna compost the banana peel. We're gonna put 2 scoops of chia seeds with this. Okay, it's 1. We go to the next one right here. 1 ounce of raw cashews here. Put that in there. Easy. We're gonna put some organic moringa powder. We're gonna put 1 scoop of this. Moringa powder is from moringa trees. Pretty nice and healthy ingredient. Okay, now we're gonna put half a teaspoon of spirulina powder. And I really love spirulina powder because it makes your smoothies green and it's very healthy for you. Alright, so now that our smoothie is ready to go, we're gonna blend this for 30 seconds. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Right, let's see how this green monster turned out. Nice, and let's go ahead and try it out. Close that up. It is very good.